Hi, so today we'll be taking a look at the Aula F75 mechanical keyboard. So it looks like it comes with an instruction manual, a quick start guide with the key combinations, and finally here's the keyboard. I ordered the black pink variant, and yeah, right out of the box it looks pretty cool. It comes with this keycap puller, a couple of key switches, and a completely normal USB-A to USB-C cable. Here on the side you can see that it has this dongle and the selector switch. Unfortunately it's in Chinese, but yeah, this dongle seems to be magnetic, which is nice. Turning on the keyboard, the lights show up. It looks pretty bright, to be honest. And yeah, checking the sides. Yeah, this is a side printed version, so legends are on the side. Checking under the keycaps, it seems to be the south facing LED version, which is right for the side printed one. And yeah, that's pretty much it for my first impressions. Thanks for watching.